Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Tour. I'm Alex.
Hey everyone, I'm Maya. We're so happy you're here with us today.
We've got something exciting for you today.
But first, Alex, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing awesome. Got a nice start of the day, so I'm feeling positive and energized. How are you doing?
I'm good too. I'm very excited to spend this time practicing English together.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Today, we're going to practice real-life English conversations.
Yes, English you can actually use every day.
No difficult grammar, just simple and natural speaking,
We'll cover daily situations.
like shopping, restaurants, airports, and meeting people.
Also office conversations and weekend plans.
Make sure to check the description for practice exercises.
And don't forget, speak with us. Practice out loud.
Let's go.
Now let's go shopping.
Yes, I love shopping. I want to buy a new dress today.
That sounds exciting. Do you already have something in mind?
Not exactly. Maybe something light and comfortable, something I can wear every day.
Great choice. Let's go to a clothing store. I will be the shop assistant.
And I will be the customer.
Perfect. Let's begin. Hello. Welcome to our store. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I am looking for a summer dress.
Of course. We have many beautiful dresses. Do you prefer something casual or more stylish?
Something casual, but also a little stylish.
Got it. And what color do you like?
I like blue, or maybe something with flowers.
Great choice. Floral dresses are very popular right now. Let me show you something. Here is a blue floral dress.
Oh wow, this looks really nice.
Yes, it's one of our bestsellers. It's perfect for summer.
I like the design. It looks very fresh.
Absolutely. It's also very comfortable. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium.
No problem. Here is a medium size.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thank you. I'll be back in a moment. I tried it on and I really like it.
That's wonderful. Does it fit well?
Yes, it fits perfectly. It's not too tight and not too loose.
That's great. How does the fabric feel?
It feels very soft and light. Perfect for hot weather.
Exactly. It's made of breathable cotton, so it's very comfortable for daily wear.
I also love the color. It looks bright and cheerful.
Yes, blue suits you very well.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Would you like to check any other options, or would you like to take this one?
I think I'll take this one.
Great choice. Would you like to go to the billing counter?
Yes, please.
Great choice. It is $15.
Okay.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
That was a simple shopping conversation.
Yes. These sentences are very useful in clothing stores.
You can use them anywhere when you go shopping.
Just remember a few key questions. Can I help you? What size do you wear? Can I try it on?
And also, I will take it. Cash or card.
Alex, do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes. I like shopping when it's quick and easy.
Same here. I don't like crowded stores.
Yes, online shopping is easier, but speaking in English at a store is good practice.
Exactly. That's why this conversation is important.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
I am looking for a summer dress.
What size do you wear?
Can I try it on?
I will take it.
Card, please.
Great job.
Today, we practiced English for shopping.
Very simple and very useful.
Try to use these sentences in real life.
Or practice with your friends at home.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Every like, every share, and every subscribe helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye.